Hello, my name is Kevin, and this is the version 2 of the voice amplifier that I built. This is the first test with the mask. So I haven't switched it on yet, so this is how I sound with the mask on, and the amplifier is not on right now. So I'll switch it on. So this is how I sound with the amplifier on. As you can see, I'm way louder than before. I'm pretty sure you can hear me much better than before. Yeah, this really amplifies my voice. The thing is, if you're putting this on your mask, you cannot use a visor along with this, right? So I've modified the next one so that you can use it along with the mask or the visor. So I fixed this on the visor. As you can see, we have the mic here, and everything's magnetic, and yeah, this fits well. And now I'll show you how it works. So you put this on. It's not on right now. It's not switched on. And this is how I sound with the mask and the visor. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'll switch this on now. And this is how I sound when once this is switched on. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of difference here. And also, as I said before, there is an additional port for an extra speaker if you're talking to a group of people and you want to be loud. You can have this extra speaker. This is just a test version. It may not be like this in the future. So like the next versions may be smaller. I don't know. So I'll show you with this one on now. So now I fixed this on the mask. It doesn't necessarily have to be here. You can put it on the side or way on top. And I'll be making the necessary changes for that. I've not switched it on right now, so this is how I sound with the mask and with the visor. I'll switch it on now. And this is how I sound when once I've switched this on. So as you can see now, it's really loud. Like you can talk to a lot of people. You have these things over here, so you can just put a rubber band or tie something on to actually hold this in place. So it's not necessary to use a speaker right now. Like the speaker is only when you need to talk to a lot of people. So this is not really necessary, and it's basically plug and play. Like you can just take it off, just like that, and you have it. You can just plug it in when you need it, and you can just put it with the help of the magnets.